Can Venmo reverse a payment? Intro. Hey there, you just sent a friend $100 on Venmo for a dinner you had last week. But then you realize you were overcharged. Can you get your money back? Or is it gone forever? Hook. This is a common question that many Venmo users face. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into whether or not Venmo allows users to reverse payments. We'll also explore some alternative options if you find yourself in a similar situation. Understanding Venmo payments. Before we get into the main topic, let's quickly recap how Venmo payments work. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money to friends and family. When you make a payment, the funds are typically transferred instantly. Can Venmo reverse a payment? The short answer is, it depends. While Venmo doesn't have a straightforward reverse payment feature, there are a few scenarios where you might be able to get your money back. Unauthorized transactions. If someone uses your Venmo account without your permission to make unauthorized payments, you can report these transactions to Venmo. They will investigate the matter and potentially reverse the payments. Disputed transactions. In cases where there's a dispute between you and the recipient about the payment, you can initiate a dispute through Venmo. This process involves providing evidence to support your claim. If Venmo finds in your favor, they may reverse the payment. Technical issues. If there's a technical glitch or error that leads to a payment being sent to the wrong person, you can contact Venmo's customer support to rectify the issue. They may be able to reverse the payment and send it to the correct recipient. Important considerations. While the above scenarios might allow for payment reversals, it's important to note that there are some limitations. Time constraints. You typically have a limited time window to report unauthorized transactions or initiate disputes. Venmo's terms of service will outline the specific deadlines. Evidence requirements. To successfully dispute a transaction, you'll likely need to provide evidence to support your claim. This could include screenshots, receipts, or other documentation. Venmo's decision. Ultimately, the decision to reverse a payment rests with Venmo. They will review the evidence and determine whether the reversal is justified. Alternative options. If you're unable to reverse a payment through Venmo, there are a few alternative options you can consider. Contact the recipient. In some cases, you may be able to resolve the issue directly with the recipient. Try reaching out to them and explaining the situation. They might be willing to return the money voluntarily. Chargeback through your bank. If you used a debit or credit card to fund your Venmo account, you might be able to initiate a chargeback through your bank. However, this can be a more time-consuming process and may have some associated fees. Small claims court. In extreme cases, you could consider filing a small claims lawsuit to recover the funds. However, this should be a last resort as it can be costly and time-consuming. Conclusion. While Venmo doesn't have a direct reverse payment feature, there are situations where you might be able to get your money back. Understanding the specific scenarios and the necessary steps can help you navigate these situations effectively. Remember, always act promptly when you discover an unauthorized transaction or a dispute. The sooner you take action, the better your chances of resolving the issue. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.